If you're looking for absolute peace, quiet and a place where you can properly unwind, you are going to want to save this spot. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you along to a hidden gem on the Lincolnshire coast, and it's called Jasmine Camping in Sutton-on-Sea. So we are at a little independent campsite called Jasmine Camping, and look at the location, absolutely beautiful. This is the location of Jasmine Camping. As you can see, it's there on the screen. Just next door is the Sutton-on-Sea Caravan and Motorhome club site, which is where the child having a tantrum was staying. So Jasmine Camping is there, and then if I just zoom out a bit, you can see exactly where it is. So Sandy Islands and Sutton-on-Sea is close by. Beautiful. So I'll just show you the entrance as you're driving up. Excuse the screaming from someone over there. Yeah, so this is the entrance as you're driving up the road. There's the gate. So this is the first gate, and then you drive in, and that's the gate into the field. So this is where you go when you arrive to check in. There's a doorbell there just to ring for attention, and this is where you arrive. So we're just over there, look, you see us there. So this site is a independent site, but it's also part of the Motorhome Fun Group. I don't know if you've heard of that. I'll put the details in the description. So you need to be a member, but it's free to join, so anyone can join. And this site is a motorhome and campervan only site. You are not allowed to come here in a tent or caravan, or car camping. So yeah, that's why we chose it. Now there's no facilities here. The only facilities that they've got is water tap, the Elson Point, The Elson is green liquid only, no blue liquid whatsoever, because they've got a septic tank, I think that's what it's called. Here you've got 3 picnic benches, which is lovely, and then over here is all your information about the site and the local areas. The electricity is only 6 amp, just to bear in mind, and then it's got all the local areas, dogs on the beach. It's the dog friendly site, by the way, and it's adult only, which again is another reason why we chose it, because we don't like kids. You just you just heard the ones over there on the other site. That site actually over there is the Sutton-on-Sea Caravan and Motorhome Club, which I don't know if you can see through the trees, but that's the site there. So this is the information, tells you about Mablethorpe. That's the club there, look, Motorhome Fun. So there's a QR code. I don't know if it'll work on your TV, it might do, or that's the website there that you can do on. So there's everything to do with the site, and at the moment 2026 August filming this, per pitch is £17 per night, extra £3 if you want electric hookup. And also this is the water tap. Now it's got this massive hose on because this will reach all the vans to put your water in, so you don't have to move your van to put the water in. This hose will reach every pitch. And little map, so this is Jasmine Cottage, and it's a 10-15 minute walk to the beach. And if you want to walk into Sutton, it's another 18-25 minute walk along the seafront. So there's 6 hod standing pitches here. Now the reason why I like these ones is because you've got the hard standing for the vehicles, but then you've got the grass. So if I show you, look, you've got the hard standing, there's 6 in total all the way down there. But like us, you park on the hard standing and then you've got your grass for your awning or just to sit on, which I love. I don't like sitting on gravel. So yeah, there's the 6 hard standing there. And then this is the grass pitches. Now you can book grass with electrics. I'm not sure where the electrics are on the grass. There's some there. So there's some electrics there. That caravan is always here, someone lives in that one. So there's electrics there. And then there's all this big space. If you're off grid, you can come and park anywhere you want. There's some shade and sun. So yeah, like I say, it's been really quiet while we've been here. It's an adult only site, and we're here for 2 nights. Last night, dead quiet. The only thing is, last night we went to get Chinese, come back at 9:10 and the gate was locked, so we had to ring the bell. It turns out that they locked the gate at 9 o'clock. We didn't get the welcome pack through by email, not sure why. But yeah, it's all in there apparently. So yeah, you need to be back on site before 9 PM. I suppose if you're told you're going to be a bit late in the meantime, I suppose they wouldn't mind that. But yeah, it's a really nice site. There's no, like I said, no toilets, so no facilities. Facilities basic, I think they say. Let me just show you the Elson Point. So you've got the Elson Point there. So no blue toilet chemicals, So you just put green in there and bees on the lavender. So you've got some water there, which is not drinking water, and then you've got all your bagged rubbish, glass and plastic bottles. Oh, and a dog poop bin. That's a good idea. And then you've got the hand wash there, look. So yeah, they've got everything sorted. Lovely plants. It's very nice. And if there's no one around when you get here, you can put your pitch fees in there, look. So they give you some envelopes and you put them in there. So it's cash only as well on this site. Hi there. That's the envelopes in there, look. So you write on there your registration, how long you're here for, put your money in, and then just post it in the box if they're not there. So yeah, it's pretty. So that's pretty much it on the site. It is, like I say, it's a basic site, but it's lovely. Very quiet. There's been spotted like deer on here and all sorts. So, because obviously we're right in the middle of the countryside, even though you're right next to the coast. So yeah, it's lovely, really nice. So that's it. If I remember anything else, I'll let you know. 2 nights here went by way too fast, but we left feeling completely recharged. A huge thumbs up to the Jasmine Camping team. It is fantastic. It's a peaceful site that we'll definitely be coming back to. Have you stayed at Jasmine Camping before, or do you have a favourite quiet site on the UK coast? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe for more campervan adventures, and I'll see you on the next one. Happy camping!